Alright, welcome to Pythagorean Theorem here with Mr. Weeks. We're looking at Pythagorean Theorem today, obviously, because that's the name of the title. And so we just want to start off by saying, what is the Pythagorean Theorem? And most people know the Pythagorean Theorem to be a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, most people have heard of the Pythagorean Theorem, but not necessarily used it. So let's take a look at a general triangle. When we're looking at a triangle, obviously it's got three sides, and we call them A, B, and C. With Pythagorean, the only time that you can use it is when you have a right triangle. That means one angle has to be 90 degrees. Now, the other thing, the only real side that we care about in a right triangle is side C, also known as the hypotenuse. Because if we look at the formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, if we take a and b, we can switch them around and it will not matter. And let me give you the example. If we add 4 plus 1, what do we get? Well, we get 5. If we add 1 plus 4, what do we still get? 5. So if I add a to b, or if I add b to a, it will not matter. So the only side that really does matter is C, our hypotenuse. And the easiest way you can remember where it is always opposite the right angle. Simple enough? Alright, let's put this to the test. So here I have a triangle with sides 15, 12, and x. So we're going to use these numbers, plug them into the Pythagorean theorem, to solve for x. So again, we're going to set it up just the way we had it before. So we've got 12 squared plus x squared equals 15 squared. And remember, the side opposite the right angle is our hypotenuse. That is our C value. Alright, here we go. So we need to simplify first. So 12 squared gives us 144 plus x squared equals 15 squared. 15 squared is 225. Now we draw our t-charts. Subtract 144 from both sides. And what are we left with? 81. Alright. And then in order to undo a square, we have to take the square root of both sides. I love how I push red and it still writes blue. That's kind of awesome. And so x is now equal to 9. Just like that. Let's try another one just to make sure that we're all set. So, same situation. Let's try it again. So this time, 10 squared plus 24 squared equals x squared. And again, I could have written 24 squared plus 10 squared, but it really doesn't matter because we are adding. So 10 squared gives us 100. What about 24 squared? Does anybody know what that is? Well, good thing you have me here. 24 squared is 576. And again, if you don't know that, use a calculator. It's quite alright. So 100 plus 576 gives us 676. Alright. Is equal to x squared. We're going to take the old square root to get rid of our squared on the x. So x is equal to 26. And again, feel free to use your calculator. I don't expect you to do those in your head. That's quite alright. Any questions on these? Because again, feel free, ask a friend if you don't know. And if that still doesn't work, please come to me and see me. Have a great day.